Hidden behind a dense tree line that divides the Hilton Hotel and Lowe's department store, resides a 176,000 square foot abandoned aerosol factory. Abandoned since the mid-1990s, the factory has been empty for over 20 years. Erected in the late 1960s, Aerosol Techniques made aerosol products and plastic bottles. On the property are two massive buildings, and the sheer size of the facility is awe-striking. Now, completely overgrown and reclaimed by nature, it acts as a pseudo-museum for graffiti artists who call this sprawling industrial complex home. Connecting the two giant structures is a bridge covered entirely in graffiti. The sprawling 176,000 square foot factory is now a living museum to artists and nature alike. Stepping into one of the buildings is otherworldly and demonstrates how small we are in comparison to the universe around us. This factory has seen numerous owners over the years, who all lost the property. In 2011, the property has been open for development and unowned. The property is currently for sale.